Watch this simple link turn into something clean and interactive in just a few lines of CSS. Here's a simple HTML page. We define the document, set the title, and add a clickable link inside the body, creating a clean and basic web page. Now let's style the page using CSS. First, we reset margins, padding, and set box sizing to keep everything consistent. We style the body by centering content using Flexbox, adding a clean white background, and setting a simple font. Next, we design the link, giving it a purple color, increasing the font size, and removing the default underline for a cleaner look. We also add a smooth transition so changes don't feel abrupt. Finally, on hover, the link changes to gold and the underline appears, creating a simple but interactive effect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more clean web design tips.